Hello, welcome back to another video. So, if you didn't follow along, if you haven't been following along, should I say, last time we got the car started, the last video. So we got loads of bits to do to finish up the car. We got to tuck the wiring harness, we got install indicators, we got all the interior to install, and lots of other bits to do. So let's get up a garage and get it done. Ooh.
You build analyze in deception, raising your weapon. Every word you speak dripping with venom. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm.
Okay guys, that's me. Not too much done today anyway. Just a headlight, one headlight fitted, plugged in, front indicators, and we took the engine harness underneath the intake plenum and stuff like that. May just tidied up things. Only little bits. Back up to garage tomorrow, so I'll continue this video on, don't worry. And yeah, like and subscribe to the channel so far anyway if you haven't, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, a few days later, apologies for not uploading as often as I should, but I've got a full-time job, so yeah, it's a couple of days later now. Let's get back up the garage, get this dashboard in, the headlights put back together, put them back in, and get the car on the road.
Cause I don't like the way it feels. Those cutting words that never heal. Behind the barricade, you're tossing grenades while I'm trying to settle and disengage. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the
Bosh, dash in. That bit anyway. Obviously this bit, we still need to finish up some push start bits, but main dash is in. So as you could do the center console and the glove box and stuff, why not? in. Does it work? The glass doesn't line up properly, but the door works. Missing a lock though. Right, that's me at home now, guys. A couple more bits done. That's what it's going to be for a while, because we've got loads of little finishing bits to do, and then the car's on the road. Happy days. But like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll back up the garage tomorrow to get the rest of the car buttoned up, mostly electrical stuff. And yeah, let us know down below in the comment section what you think of the car and how it's looking. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.